Join me as I take on the challenge to shed up to 20 pounds in just 90 days, and I'm going to make it as easy as possible. Losing weight can be a daunting task, especially when you're trying to do it fast. But what if I told you it's possible to shed up to 20 pounds in just 90 days without having to make drastic changes to your lifestyle or starve yourself? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's not. We've all been there. Trying to stick to a diet that's just too complicated, feeling motivated one day and then giving up the next, or simply not having the time to exercise. It's frustrating, and it's hard to stay motivated when the results aren't showing up as fast as we want them to. And let's be honest, most of us don't have all day to spend in the gym or cook healthy meals from scratch. We've got jobs, families, and social lives to attend to. I know how hard it can be to find the time and energy to prioritize our health and fitness. And it's even harder when we're surrounded by temptation everywhere we go. Social media, TV ads, and even our friends and family can make it difficult for us to stay on track. But here's the thing. Losing weight doesn't have to be rocket science. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or spending hours at the gym every day. So what's the secret to losing weight quickly and easily? It's not about making drastic changes. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run. It's about finding a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. And it's about focusing on progress, not perfection. One of the simplest, yet most effective ways to start losing weight is to meal plan. I know it sounds boring, but hear me out. Meal planning is not about depriving yourself of your favorite foods. It's about being intentional with what you're eating and when. It's about making healthy choices that nourish your body rather than consuming whatever is convenient. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to do. Another game changer is incorporating simple exercises into your daily routine. I'm not talking about hours at the gym or even leaving your house. I'm talking about simple bodyweight exercises you can do in the comfort of your own home. Squats, push-ups, lunges, these are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once and can be done in just a few minutes a day. And let's not forget about mindset shifts. Our thoughts and beliefs have a huge impact on our behavior. And when we focus on positivity and self-love, we're more likely to make healthy choices. But here's the thing. There's one tip that stands out above the rest. One tip that can lead to significant weight loss in a short amount of time. And that's portion control. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or starving yourself. It's about eating until you're satisfied, not stuffed. When we focus on eating the right portion sizes, we're more likely to lose weight and keep it off in the long run. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it's not. It takes discipline and self-control, but the results are worth it. And when we combine portion control with meal planning and simple exercises, the results are nothing short of amazing. So, there you have it. My top tips for losing up to 20 pounds in just 90 days. It's not about making drastic changes. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run. Remember, losing weight is a journey, not a destination. Stay focused, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay positive. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've got any weight loss tips or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more health and fitness content. See you in the next video.